Over the next few minutes you will discover my personal experience with 21-day flat belly fix program. If you want to learn more about this program, then check the link in the description. So, let's get started. I had weight problems since my childhood. It doesn't matter whatever I do, I can't keep my lost weight away from my body for a longer period. I tried Insanity, Bikini Body Guide, and even tried intermittent fasting. None worked for me for a longer period. I keep on getting my lost weight back after a short period. I just turned 36 a few months ago, and at this age, I don't have enough energy or strength to start any new workout program. When I saw the Flat Belly Fix program, it really hit me hard, and I decided to give it a try. When I finish reading this book on Saturday night, it really amazes me with its step-by-step process. Todd, which is the author of this book, has provided a step-by-step solution that makes sense to me. I can say Todd Lamb has provided a simple yet effective plan that helps you to lose weight and improve overall health. Flat Belly Fix Principles. Principle 1: Flat Belly Fix Exercise. One of the principles is of course exercise. I don't have that much energy to spend on exercises as I have other things to do as well. Thankfully, this program comes with 7 exercises that you have to perform each one of them every day. More importantly, they take only 5 to 7 minutes to complete. It is easy for me to perform these exercises as they don't burn me out and they last only for 10 minutes, so I can feel I done good workout after completing these exercises. Exercises are great for increasing endorphins hormone, which makes you feel good. In case if you feel 10 minutes isn't enough, then you can follow video series for more workouts that come along with this program. Todd suggests to perform one exercise every day and repeat the process as long as you want. Principle 2: Flat Belly Fix Diet. Todd has recommended 3 meals in this program, and one of them is a super healthy tea. 2 meals are lunch and dinner. Todd has provided a long list of foods which allow me to choose foods that are easily available in my nearest market. I customized both these principles to create a plan that fits in my routine. Preparing. Before I get started, I did a little cleanup in my kitchen. I remove all junk foods and unhealthy foods from my kitchen and purchase some foods that are recommended by Todd. I get these foods without any trouble as I have a superstore a few minutes away from my house. Since I started following the Flat Belly Fix course religiously, I find it simple to follow. My routine is something like this image chart. You will also get 15 delicious smoothie recipes that you can consume with any meal. Out of these 15 smoothies, my favorite one was protein butter smoothie. Some of the smoothie recipes include green turmeric smoothie, cocoa berry turmeric smoothie, the fast 5 smoothie, coffee smoothie, cocoa avo smoothie, choco almond smoothie, banana nut smoothie, cinnamon carrot smoothie, turmeric chai smoothie. I don't prepare these smoothies every day, but I tried some of these smoothies on weekends. Very simple to follow, and that is what I like about it. My Flat Belly Fix results. I start noticing a difference in my body right from the first week. I start feeling healthier and energetic in just 1 week. I start having more energy in my workplace, and my colleagues kept asking me from where I get all this energy. I also get out from bed right after waking up and spend some time playing with my daughters when I come back home from work. In the first week, I lost 4 pounds. These all results motivate me to follow this program, and before I realize it is a month and I lost little over 11 pounds. Within 4 months I lost around 38 pounds. You can see the difference in my before and after photo image. Despite a visible difference in my body, I feel much healthier and younger. I am definitely looking much younger than my actual age, 35. Believe me, it feels so good when you start receiving compliments from other people. Since losing weight, my skin become brighter, my energy levels have gone up, I am spending more time with my family, and I don't feel uncomfortable in my body anymore. If you also want to lose weight safely and want to improve your overall body, then without any doubt you can follow Flat Belly Fix program. When you follow this program, you will see results. You start noticing amazing results right from the first week. Trust me, it doesn't take much longer to see results with this program. Why do I like the Flat Belly Fix program? I take a long break here thinking about things I don't like about this program, and to be honest, there isn't anything I don't like about this system. With being that said, if you are in your early 20s or you are in your top shape, then I feel you will find Flat Belly Fix program best for you as it is not intense. However, if you are in your 30s and out of shape, then you definitely need to try this weight loss program. Here's why I like this program. It's simple. I like the Flat Belly Fix program because it is simple to understand. I don't like to waste my time on weight loss programs that are too complicated. I guess no one has time to understand a complicated program. That's why it is necessary to follow a program that doesn't burden you with so many scientific studies and terms. It's a complete step-by-step program. Many weight loss programs either talk about diet or exercise. I hate these weight loss programs because weight loss is the result of a proper diet and regular exercise. Thankfully, this is not the same case with Flat Belly Fix program. Flat Belly Fix program contains a section on dieting, exercising, and also talks about changes that you can make in your lifestyle to improve your overall health. You can use this program to lose weight and get healthy. Improves health. Flat Belly Fix isn't only about losing weight, instead, it helps in getting healthy as well. Since starting this program: 1. Lost good amount of fat from my body. 2. Start getting good sleep. 3. My skin becomes clear. 4. Start feeling energetic throughout the day. 5. Living happily knowing I don't get diabetes and heart disease. 6. Start wearing a bikini on beaches, and more importantly, start living a healthy life. If you also want to lose weight and become healthy, then you can definitely give a try to this program. Don't need gym membership. I simply don't like strangers to watch me doing exercises. You can do all exercises from your home. You don't need to invest money on any special equipment. All exercises are provided in a recorded video. Comes with 60 days money-back guarantee. Personally, I think this is the top quality weight loss program. However, for whatever reason you feel this is not the right program for you, then you can return the program and get your money back. Flat Belly Fix reviews. Many of my friends has tried this program, and they shared their reviews in my email box. Here are some of the best Flat Belly Fix reviews. Stacy says, I am 42 years old, and I bought this program because other workout programs were too difficult for me. When I decided to try 21 days Flat Belly Fix program over the last month, I lost 20 pounds, and at no point I feel it is difficult for me. I would say this program is easy, and it is surprising for me how easy it is to lose weight with this program. Besides losing weight, I feel many years younger. So, thanks for helping me out. I think anyone can lose weight with this program. John says, being overweight is a big problem, both for health-wise and social-wise. Until February 2018, I was overweight. Many people, including my family members, friends, and a relative, used to tease me for being overweight. But now I lost over 17 kgs, yes, you read it right, 17 kilos, in 5 months. I feel great now. I can wear any dress that I couldn't wear previously. In a nutshell, I feel very energetic and active now. You can be the next success story. Join the Flat Belly Fix program and start losing ugly pounds like all of us did. 4 best things about Flat Belly Fix program. 1. Simple exercises. It doesn't matter whatever these weight loss pills sellers are saying to you. The only effective way to lose weight is the combination of proper diet and exercise plan. The exercises recommended in this program are simple and effective. The author, Todd, has provided exercise videos in which he performing these exercises. Moreover, these exercises don't take too much of your time and don't need any fancy or expensive equipment. You can perform these exercises at your home or in the gym as well. Even if you have any workout routine, then you can include these exercises in your routine, as they take only 5 to 7 minutes. 2. All natural method. This program combines the power of 2 things that are diet and exercise. This means there is no place for pills, gums, injections, or surgery in this program, which for me is a great advantage. Sure, surgery is a surefire way to get rid of all those ugly extra pounds, but if you don't know how to burn fat, then chances are you get extra pounds back. The less said about pills, the better it is. This program focuses on diet and exercise. With that in consideration, there is no side effect. If you have a proper diet and exercise plan, then you can lose weight without any surgery. This will not only save money, but save you lots of post-surgery complications that come along with any surgery. 3. Money back guarantee. This is my favorite of them all. Sure, many people have lost weight with diets such as paleo diet and keto diet, but a greater number of people can't continue these diets and gave up in the midway for numerous reasons. What bad is, they lost hundreds of dollars they spend on branded food that these diet recommend. Is there any way they can get their money back? No. This is not the same case with Flat Belly Fix. The author, Todd Lamb, is offering a full 60 days money-back guarantee to try this program without any risk. I feel this 2-month period is enough to determine if this program is working for you or not. 4. Positive reviews. You've seen my before and after photo, and I am just one example of the quality of this program. You will find many positive reviews on their official page, Facebook and Instagram that prove that this is an effective program. It took me 4 months to burn 38 pounds, and I guess you can achieve even better results if you do some extra exercises as well. I took a few additional days off, but in the end, I got my results. If you also want to get results without any pill or surgery, then download Flat Belly Fix program now. If you want to learn more about this program, then check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment below and let me know what you think.